What's up guys, my name is Brock, you're watching The Modest Man, and today we're trying on some clothes from Everlane. Everlane is a brand that's been on my radar for a couple of years now, but I've actually never worn their clothes until recently. So Everlane reached out a few weeks ago and offered to send me a few things to try on. They haven't paid me anything, they don't have any control over what I say or the published date of this video, but they did send me this stuff for free. So what is Everlane? Everlane is a really cool brand actually. They have this mission for radical transparency, and that means they're very selective in the factories that they choose. And they're very transparent with how their clothes are made and how much it costs to make their clothes, and then how much profit they're making off each item. The retail apparel industry is very old school, and so when Everlane came out and did this and had this radical transparency mission, it was at the time very novel and groundbreaking, and you've seen a lot of brands kind of follow suit, and I think that's really cool. I think they're about 6 years old and they're doing really, really well. So I think their mission for radical transparency was just kind of a breath of fresh air in this industry. Their aesthetic, they make basics, you know, quality basics at reasonable prices in pretty timeless colors and fits. I really like their color palette. It seems like you could buy anything from them and it would go well together. So if you selected one top and one bottom from Everlane, it'd probably look good together. The style is very clean and minimal and as timeless as you can get. So it's right up my alley. The prices, it's not like H&M or, you know, ASOS or Uniqlo prices, but it's also not very expensive. So I'd say it's somewhere in the middle and very reasonable for what you're getting. I wanted to try something from each category, so I chose a cotton bomber, a cashmere crewneck sweater, a cotton sweatshirt, cotton Oxford shirt, one of their polos, 2 t-shirts, one of the regular t-shirts, and then like a lightweight summer weight tee. And then 2 pairs of pants, a mid-weight chino and a skinny jean. They also sent over one of their backpacks, so we'll take a look at that too. Oh, quick caveat, usually with these try-ons, I just unbox everything and try it on, but in this case, I wanted to wash everything to accommodate for shrinkage. I feel like that would give you guys a better idea of how this stuff actually fits. So I did wash everything. Remember that cotton and wool tends to shrink up, so if you wash it and dry it with a little bit of heat, it's gonna get shorter, not slimmer, which is usually good for me. So yeah, I did put this stuff through the laundry with the exception of the jeans, chinos, and cashmere sweater. Okay, let's switch angles here and see how everything fits. Okay, so I'm wearing a lightweight crewneck t-shirt. I did wash and dry this one on medium heat. As you can see, the collar is a little wrinkly. I think that would iron out, but something to be aware of. These are the mid-weight chinos in 28-30. Got them cuffed a couple times, which I don't mind with chinos. I kind of like the cuffed look. But otherwise, they fit really well. Rise, hips, thighs, nice gentle taper, and they're super comfortable. So these are definitely more of a lighter weight chino. They do make an air chino, which is even lighter weight, but I really like these. These feel great. T-shirt, super lightweight, super comfy. Maybe a little long, but it'll probably shrink up in the wash after a couple more laundry cycles. Love the color though, and it's super soft. All right, and this is just the standard crewneck tee. This was like their flagship product they launched with. Again, really comfy, definitely not as lightweight as this summer weight tee, but very soft, very comfortable, and I actually think it fits a little better. No wrinkling around the collar, sleeves are nice and fitted. Length is good. Yeah, just a solid t-shirt. All right, moving on to the polo shirt. This is the black polo with the tipped collar and sleeves, size extra small. And this one fits really well, shockingly well. Most polos are too long, but this one, especially after a wash, is the right length. Fits good in the sleeves, feels good. And this is like your standard Pique Polo, you know, it's got a little bit of that natural stretch built in, mid-weight, really comfy. Ooh. Okay, so these are their skinny jeans, faded black in size 29-30. Actually tried 28-30 first, and they were like hard to get on. So their skinny jeans definitely run small compared to their chinos. And as you can see, they aren't kidding when they say skinny. These are very, very fitted. They kind of remind me of like Gap skinny stretch, like that kind of fit, very compressive, but they're comfortable. You know, they don't feel too restrictive or rigid or anything. Couple inches too long, I don't mind cuffing them or getting them hemmed. And then this is their cotton crewneck sweatshirt. This is actually size extra, extra small. They don't make everything in extra, extra small, but they did have this and fits really well. Really happy with this one. It's hard to find just a good, solid gray sweatshirt that fits. So yeah, this is really nice and comfy. Let's go ahead and throw on this cotton bomber, size extra small. It's pretty nice too, and for the price, it's definitely just a nice basic bomber. Fits not bad at all. Yeah, nice jacket. Might as well check out the backpack too. So this is just their basic backpack. They have a couple different ones. So yeah, I don't wear backpacks too often, but this is a nice, just basic one. Nice size too. All right, and then last but not least, we'll try their Cashmere crewneck sweater. I didn't wash and dry this one because you can intentionally shrink cashmere, but it's a hit or miss process and you can definitely ruin your sweater. So I will probably try to shrink this a little bit, but I'm just gonna show you what it looks like right out of the box. So as you can see, it is a little big on me. I think this would shrink up really nicely actually, so I am gonna try to do that. I'll keep you updated, but yeah, right now it's a tiny bit big, but man, super comfy. It feels really good. Like you could definitely wear this without an undershirt. Everlane is very proud of their cashmere. They're very particular about it, and it's pretty high quality. And you know, for the price, it's hard to get good cashmere for a reasonable price. So yeah, I mean, this feels great. I love the kind of dusty green color too. It's really right in my color palette. Okay, so we've seen everything. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this Everlane haul. Definitely a brand worth checking out if you haven't already and you like that kind of minimal, clean aesthetic. And I do appreciate their mission for radical transparency. I think that's super cool. If you have any questions for me about Everlane or any of these items, let me know down in the comments. Thank you as always for watching, and until next time, stay stylish.